Hi, so this is a Sears Kenmore machine, sewing machine with a bobbin fill. So this is basically the latch where you put in the bobbin and start filling it. Sometimes what happens is this doesn't work. So to be able to start it, you have to unroll the machine so that this can move. Sometimes this will be hard to move. In such a case, what you can do is open up the machine. Okay, so you see this is the one that basically goes to the wheel, and then these grooves attach to this blackboard and start moving it. So if this is stuck, what you can do is just take this off and then do some oiling and make sure this bobbin is freely moving, this roll is freely moving. If you see that this is damaged, for example, if you see mine, this is damaged, it's worn out, so you can replace this with a new one. Now once you've made sure that this is freely moving, you can attach your bobbin. Okay, now let's try to weave it. So you have to look at the way it is moving. It's moving on the right, so make sure your bobbin is in this position because it's going to move this way so that it rolls the way in the right way. Okay. This thread is broken. Okay, now we'll click it, make sure this wheel is on the other side, and now you can start your machine. Once it is done, it automatically ticks out, so we're good. Your bobbin is fully filled. This is how you can fix your bobbin thread. Make sure this is freely moving, and then once it clicks, you're good. Thanks for watching.